Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to create a free website on Weebly. Just before I do so, once you've watched the video and you want to give Weebly a go, there is a link in the description down below that will take you to a free trial version of it. So make sure that you watch the video first, obviously, and then once you've done, you can click that link. Once you click the link, you can sign in with a Google account or an email or something like that for free, and then you will arrive at this page. You may be taken straight into what I'm about to show you, the website builder wizard. However, if you don't for whatever reason, then you'll be at this page on the dashboard where you can hit My Site in the top right hand corner and then Add Site. This is the first sort of thing that will probably present itself when you first log in to Weebly. Is this what you're seeing right in front of us now? Obviously, you can sort of choose to add a store at this point, but just go, I need a website. And then there's a couple of templates that you can spend some time browsing. We're not going to do that for this short video, but have a look around at the different categories, have a look at what they kind of feel like, give one of them a click, and then you can kind of preview that website. Once you've found one that you like, then you can hit Start Editing in the top right hand corner, and that is it. You've created your first website. Obviously, it's based on a template, and basically the idea is that you pick a template that most closely resembles the thing that you want, and then you can evolve the template into the thing that you want. So you can now replace the images, change the font, change the text, what it actually says, the content of it, and evolve this template into your website. But as you can see, in that amount of time, that has created us a brand new website for free. And at this point, you can sort of connect it to a URL if you've bought one from another domain name provider or whatever, but for free, I'm going to presume that you haven't. And you can see now that that website is loaded in the website editor, and we can edit it and replace all of this stuff and kind of delete things and format it as you normally would, So as you can see, when you single click something, it's selectable as what's called an element. And then the options for that element usually appears above or on top of it, or just below, as you can see there. So everything's kind of, self-intuitive, self-explanatory. It's very easy to access. This button, for example, if you want to decide what that button goes to, you can just click it, and then you can see link there, and you can choose a whole host of options. So it usually uses this kind of step-by-step wizard-based system to create things, and it's very easy to use. So most of the stuff that you'll need to add to the website exists on the left-hand side. As you can see, all of them are very self-explanatory as well, and they work by you just click and drag them in, just as so. So if you wanted to add another button just above that one, then as you can see, it takes a second, and that's loaded in. You can justify it then by putting it in the center and etc. So to do more detailed editing than that, and to get into the kind of detailed aspects of the design, you'd need to then learn HTML coding, which is definitely not something we're going to look into in this short video, but to go that kind of higher level of design would require a very strong working knowledge of HTML, I would say, so you can make basic changes without hopefully making mistakes with the basic knowledge, but to really edit a website, it's going to require you to learn that. And you can see the pages option here at the top of the menu is fairly self-explanatory, fairly straightforward as well. The pages that exist on your website are there. You would click them to navigate to them. The title comes up. You can decide whether it displays the header and some of the other settings, as well as delete that page completely. And that's basically it. You've got the settings of the website here, which are, again, very self-explanatory. You can always change the address for it there and set that, and buy a domain name somewhere and kind of, link it to this via that option there. You can add third-party apps for all the things that you can't find in the menu, that you can't think of. Ways around. You can always change the theme at any point to another template. That takes you back to the template editor, as you can see there. So that's accessible through that theme option there. And like I said, that's it. Give it a go. Hit that link down below and in the description, and that'll take you through to the free trial version where you can utilize it all. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more specific things about Weebly and content of this nature, then you can give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below as well. Thank you very much.